Hello there, in this video we're going to take a look at this multifunctional tyre inflator, which is currently $35.99 on Amazon, and I will leave a link to it down below. Let's open the box and take a look at the product. It is in this solid, very robust little carry case here, which kind of alludes to the first good thing about this product, which is that it is very portable. So you could easily stick this in the glove box of your car or in your backpack if you were going on a long cycle ride. Because I should say, this tyre inflator is multifunctional. You can use it on your car, your bicycle, your electric scooter, balls. If you need to pump it up, you can use this to do it because it's got some conversion heads inside for different applications. Okay, right, as you can see, it's packaged very nicely. This is the tyre inflator. It's obviously got some protective film on, which is great because we all love, let's savour this moment, we love, oh, and I only slightly knocked the camera tripod. USB-C charging interface. Why has it got USB-B there? Well, you can use this as a battery pack as well. So if you run out of charge on your phone, you can charge it using this. It's got a 5,200 milliamp hour battery in it, which is going to be pretty good for charging devices like that. So I presume it's probably got a light on it as well, has it? Oh yeah, it's got a light on it as well. Oh, we are the Borg. Let's turn it on, actually. I'm quite interested to see what happens. I presume that's what that is. So it's got an LCD display there. I presume that's the battery power at the top there. And I think it looks like you can change the mode, maybe. This is bar, actually. Whoa-wee. I don't want to do that. I should have read the instructions, really. Maybe I'll do that. It comes with this cable here in case the pump runs out of battery and you need to plug it into your car to use it. It comes with the USB-C charging cable. It comes with the adapters, and it comes with this thingy, which is what plugs into here. I thought that was a camera mount for a moment, but of course it isn't a camera mount. That was a ridiculous thing to think. Why would you want one of these? Well, I mean, obviously it's portable, which is great, so you can take it out and about with you. But do you know what? When I need to check the tyre pressures on my car, I currently have to drive to a garage about 3 miles down the road and pay £1 to use the machine there. I'd have to drive 2 or 3 miles there and back again. So, to be honest, use this a few times. You haven't had to go anywhere. It's going to save you money and it's convenient. Also, there is actually a bug on my car at the moment where if I go on long journeys, the tyre pressure warning light comes on. So I often have to stop at a garage and check the tyre pressures, even though they're always fine, and it costs me £1 every time, probably more if I'm on a motorway. Have this in the car, I can use this instead. So I think that's really convenient. Now I'm going to use this on my car. It looks like the pressures go up to 150 PSI on here, which should be enough for anybody's needs, I'd imagine. In fact, actually, maybe I don't need the adapters. I think maybe the end there is correct as it is. It feels like an excellent quality bit of kit, to be honest. I'd really like to know how to use this now. So just reading the instructions here, it looks as if the first time you open it, you're supposed to charge it so that all 4 of these grids are illuminated. It gives you the instructions for charging, and I can see, reading the instructions, it is actually really straightforward. So that's changing the vehicle type. I want car there. I think if I hold this for a few seconds, it changes the, there we go, KPA, PSI is what I'm interested in. So now I could adjust the PSI and stick it on my car tyre and pump it up. In fact, that's what I'm going to do now. So all in all, I think this is a superb bit of kit. Great that it also doubles as a power pack so I can charge my phone if I run out of battery. Convenient to have in my car. Gonna save me money in the long run, which is absolutely fantastic. Really well made. So very pleased with this UVKK charger. Love its little case as well. Gonna shove that in my glove box now. Any questions about this, do let me know down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, there's a link down below if you want to check this out for yourself. Thanks very much to my loyal patrons who are scrolling down the screen now, especially George Foot, Jim McKay, Jennifer Jones and Samir Al-Amar, who are extremely generous patrons. Do subscribe if you enjoy my videos, and I'll see you next time for another one.